Hi, my name is Chris Fumi,
And I'm Maureen Connolly.
and we are from CBK Associates providing this YLC how-to video for NYC Service and the Youth Leadership Council program. The focus of this video is build a YLC member, an effective strategy with your YLC. More information on Build a YLC member can be found on page 25 of the Getting Started Youth Civic Action Guide. So Maureen, how do we build a YLC member?
First, divide youth into groups of 3 to 5, depending on group size. Provide each group with a sheet of easel paper and one marker per person. As a demonstration, draw a body shape on the easel paper. This represents the YLC member that youth will be drawing. Ask what is missing. Often the reply is heart or eyes. For the first 2 items mentioned, have youth come up and draw the items on the outline. With each drawing, ask, how will this YLC member use a heart? How will they use eyes? Create a line connecting the drawing with the explanation. After 2 examples, let youth get started. Remind them that if there are 2 of the same body part, for example, ears, add 2 different reasons for why those ears are important.
Every member works simultaneously. All ideas are welcome. Remember, it's always add words to accompany the images. After about 5 minutes, each group names their YLC member and select attributes, 1 per person, to share when introducing their new YLC member. After the introductions, reflect by asking, what was that process like? The group may say it was collaborative, fun, everyone had a voice, it was creative. Then ask, how does this experience inform us about being a YLC members? At the end of the year and throughout, come back to build a YLC member and add based on what youth have learned. If you're meeting virtually, you can do this in a low-tech way. Each person grabs a sheet of paper and something to draw with and creates their own YLC member and then puts them up to the screen together. If you want a high-tech option, give groups a chance to create their YLC member on a Jamboard. So there you have it. Build a YLC member. Remember, more information on Build a YLC member can be found on page 24 of the Getting Started Youth Civic Action Guide. Thank you for joining us.